Motorcycles UK. With me, specialist is here, Mr. Abhishek. Hi Abhishek. So this is my YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel.
Thank you.
So Abhishek will take us quickly onto this bike. This is a 1200cc, if I'm not wrong, right?
Vivo 1200cc.
Yeah. Okay. So over to you, Abhishek. Yeah.
Thank you.
If you can just take around with me, touch on few points. I'll just focus it there, right?
So, this is the Vivo CR model, the Cafe Racer 1. This is the fastest Cafe Racer that we have currently.
Okay.
And, as you can see, the vehicle is quite exquisite. All the body panels are carbon fiber.
Yeah, I can zoom that. Yeah.
We use high quality aluminium for our frames. We use billet aluminium for the
So
levers.
billet aluminium is there where you can see the shine
Yeah,
areas,
the,
right?
the foot pegs, the gear levers are all billet aluminium.
Great.
And also, as you can see, it has a single-sided swing arm.
Swing arm, yeah.
And you can also see the attention to detail on our seats.
But this is a proper cafe racer, I can see, because the stance is really there.
It
You
is.
see it in India with a GT650, a little catch up.
Similar, yes,
Right.
definitely.
Yeah.
As you can see, it has clip-on handlebars.
Yeah. Yeah, I can zoom that. And it has a color display or
It has a color display. Yeah, it has a color display.
But the keys, so we can switch it on for you. But right now, I think the keys are not there, right? Okay. Coming back onto the profile of the tires.
Forged wheels from OC Racing. OC Racing, yeah. OC Racing forged wheels. And you can have a choice of colors, either the platinum silver as we call, and we also have it in full wear carbon.
Okay.
As you can see in the other side.
So, and this is V-shape, right?
Yeah, it's a 72-degree.
72 degrees, okay. And you can see also this exhaust system.
Yes.
It's got 4 cylinders, right?
It is 4 cylinders, yes.
4 cylinders into one and acro power.
72-degree V4 is unique for Notice. Nobody else uses this configuration. So it gives a very unique character for the engine as well as the exhaust sound.
I can see it's barely 90 degrees almost the rear suspension, right? Monitor.
Yes.
Which I really see in any of the bikes because they're normally tilted, right?
Yeah.
Any reasons behind this? I can zoom that.
Yeah, sure. I mean, it also depends on the swing arm length and the
At the back, as you can see the profile, there is a huge tire. I think it's somewhere
Yeah, you
around
can- you should
190 or 200, huh? I can't see any rating there. I think it's a racing tire. It's quite sticky.
255.
255.
No, 200 by 55. Yeah.
200, yes.
You can have a glimpse of the swing arm as well, the single-sided swing arm.
It's, I think, one of its kind.
Yeah.
Not even 30s, I see.
Looks quite like an ornament.
Very beautifully designed, I think.
We have a fully adjustable suspension on board.
It's okay, it's all in. Okay,
Yeah.
not sure what this time. Great. And you.
You can see the direct air intake on
Okay,
either
direct.
side. Yes.
Great. So you can see the front profile. I think it's LED headlamps.
It is
Yeah. And anything more about the bike? So before ending on to this.
In fact, I would say, actually, if you can come back tomorrow, we have a super sport version of the same bike.
Okay.
So that's going to be our flagship motorcycle. Please stay tuned.
So that's Abhishek. So thank you so much, Abhishek. Give it a bye. So tomorrow probably we might come back with a super sport version for all of you. Please give me a like, put your comments in. If you want to see something on this more, you want to know about it, definitely I'm going to reply on this. So catch you back guys very soon. Have a nice day. Goodbye.